Congrats on getting protected with Medical Guardian. You're just a few clicks away from turning your new device into everyday peace of mind. To get things started, we'll set up your profile so our team knows who you are, who to contact in an emergency, and which monitoring plan fits you best. What you'll need: your device nearby, the UDI, or unique device identification, which you can find on the label on the back of your box or on the back of your new device, and about 5 minutes of your time. There's a QR code on your box for you to scan to visit our activation portal, or you can also type it into your browser at medicalguardian.com/start. Once you have reached the product activation page, read the on-screen instructions, then click Begin Activation. First, enter the 9-digit UDI, which you can find on the back of your device or on your box, and then click Find My Device. When the system finds your device, a new screen will appear. Verify that all information on the screen matches your device, then you'll click Activate Device. If your device is not found, contact our member support team at 1-800-889-3652. We're here to help. Once you select Activate Device, you'll fill out the subscriber information section. The information entered here should reflect the person who will use the device, the end user. If you're filling this out for yourself, enter your own information. If you're filling this out for a loved one, enter their information on their behalf. The name on the account and service location address should reflect who is using the device and where they live. If you'd like to receive mail or billing information on their behalf, check the box labeled, "Is the subscriber mailing address of the device different than the service location?" Later in the process, you'll be able to add your own mailing address to receive mail on the subscriber's behalf. If you're filling this out for yourself, and the mailing address and service address are the same, please leave this box unchecked. Once all of the subscriber information is filled in, click Next in the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll go to the plan selection page. There are 3 billing options: monthly, quarterly, or annual. Choose what fits your budget. The longer the term, the more you save. In fact, if you subscribe to an annual plan, you'll also get an extra free month of service added to your service plan. More savings. Once you choose your plan, click Next. Once you've selected your plan, you'll enter your desired billing information. This will be the card or bank account info that you'll pay for your service with. After you have completed your billing info, hit Next. On this page, add your emergency contacts, your care circle. Choose who should be notified: family, neighbor, or caregiver. They'll receive calls if you press your button for help. You can choose whether they're contacted before or after EMS, and you can note if they have a key to your home. You can enter up to 5 emergency contacts into your portal. Double check that all contact info looks correct, then click Next. Then you're taken to the activation screen with a summary of your charges and due dates. If everything looks right, select Next. Don't forget, we're giving you a free month with your purchase to get comfortable with your device and the 24/7 protection. Finally, you'll sign your service agreement. This will take you off of the activation site and over to DocuSign, where you'll sign. It's our terms and conditions of use for your monitoring service, and it authorizes Medical Guardian to respond properly in an emergency. In order to get started, all members must sign. Congrats! If you see the success screen, you're all set. Make sure your device is charged, put it on, and enjoy round-the-clock protection with Medical Guardian.